So we're going to adjust our title. I'm going to hit the title button here. And we want work orders with calculations. Let me kind of click. Looks like we have more than one. Let me delete that. Let me just edit this one. Work orders with calculations. And then let me widen that. And we will go ahead and center that as well. Okay, so you might want to double check if you already have a title. I would just click on it to select, click to edit, and then enter the title that they are asking for. Now down in our form footer section, you can see there is no grid. To create a grid, we're going to position at the bottom, on that border on the bottom, and left drag down. They would like a grid of about 1/2 inch. And in the middle, we're going to put our name. We're going to add a label in the middle area, and you're going to key in your first and last name. And I'm just going to kind of reposition that so it's more in the middle. And if you have trouble figuring out where the middle is, what often works is just to resize for the width, and then you can center it. And then it will be in the middle. Now they would like us to do a little adjusting of the control areas. And for description, they would like that to be at about 4.5 for the width here. And then for all of these, I'm going to shift and click. So for all of the remaining, what they would like is for them to be pretty much the same length. And so what we're going to do is go into Arrange. I'm going to click on Space and Size. And then we are going to choose to widest, and it's going to resize all of those to the widest entry. And then what we're going to do, now these they would like smaller, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of resize these. Don't really specify a width. But what they would like are for all of these to be aligned together. So we're going to shift and click on each one. And now we're going to get into some of these alignment commands. And first they would like us to align them to the left. Okay, so now they're all aligned on the left side. And then they're going to have you deselect, which we can do. And they want you to select again. So I'm just going to use the lasso method here. And now we're going to align these on the right. Okay, and now we're going to deselect. And for these, let's select these guys and align them on the left. And we're going to keep the others aligned to the right. And then to make sure we've got everything evenly spaced, we're going to actually select all of this. Then we're going to go into spacing, and we want equal vertical. Okay, and that is our spacing. And you should have seen quite a few things kind of shift around when we did that. Now it's got the same amount of space vertically between our various label controls and text box controls. And at this point, we're going to save. And if you want to go into Form View and take a look, that is what we have so far, but we are not done. I'm going to go back to Design View.